this is another very useful feature. So when you lift your phone, so it will wake itself. See, when you put it down, you can just power it off. When you just lift it, it will turn it on again, the screen. So how you can turn on and turn off this feature? So just simple, it's very easy step. Simple, go into the settings, scroll down a little bit, go all the way down, you'll find a smart advanced feature. In advanced feature, on the fourth, you'll see the motion and gesture. When you go into the motion and gesture, just go to the very first one, you will see the lift to wake up. So when you just turn it off, so your phone will not wake up when you turn on and when you lift. But when you turn on that feature, so when you, let's say when you lift your phone, it will wake up itself. So just slide up and do it your work, whatever you do. So it is very handful feature, and it will work a lot when you, especially when you're in a meeting and you are doing something and you need to see your phone. So that's how you can do that.